Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit your page title and meta titles guys in Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here at odoo.com if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, you can go right there and get started by signing up for your account. First thing you need to do is go ahead and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you already have one, just go ahead and log into Odoo. So once you've done that, you can open up your website or store that you have set up and it's going to look like this. From here, you're going to go at the top of the screen, see the configuration tab, and next to the configuration tab, we're going to have the site tab. This is what we want to open up. Once you click on site, it's going to open up this new main menu from where we can find all the options we can access, and one of them is going to be called Optimize SEO. So you can click on Optimize SEO right here. That's going to enable you to go ahead and optimize the search engine options for your website. As you can see, you have your title right here as well as the description. If you need any more help on how to make this the best possible version for your website, you can go to the official odoo.com documentation page and search for search engine optimization. It's going to show you how to go and edit your title, meta descriptions, you can see right here, keywords, meta tags, and so on. All of that is going to be explained in great detail to help you make your site more visible, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.